What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I got my Note 8 right here. Galaxy Note 8. For a long time it was on Nougat, but just a couple days ago, this is the Verizon Note 8. It got the update to Android Oreo, 8.0. So basically, there's a couple differences. It's not a big difference, big difference. And a lot of the stuff you won't see on this phone because this phone is Nova'd out. But let me just I took a screenshot of the screen when it told me about the update, when I checked for the update, and it was there. You get picture in a picture, allows you to see two apps at once. um with your permission, you get a autofill so you can log into things faster. You also get the dot notifications like on a Pixel, but it's not set up on this device because I'm using that Nova right now. I'm on Nova launcher, and I don't have that set up. Background limits minimized, so that means you can have more apps running in the background. The phone won't force close those apps, so when you open them, you'll get right back to where you were. And that they told me the update was complete. It was basically the same thing. It just let me know that the picture in picture and things of that nature, like a quick demonstration of the picture in picture. Hold on, guys. Let me just. This is something that's been on a couple other all other devices that's on Oreo. But let me just go to YouTube. Okay, playing the video. Shout out to BG Tech Life. And I hit the home button, and you got a little floating window automatically. You cut that on and off. But if you want to check and see if your note is on Oreo and you get Oreo, just go to your settings and go to system update and go to check for system update. Of course, it's not gonna be on this device because this device is already updated. What have you. But again, if you just go in settings and go all the way down to system updates, boom, that it'll be right there, about phone. Let's go to software, and you can see that it's really Oreo. Here go Android version 8.0. And as you can see, got the Oreo goodness on the Galaxy Note 8 finally. Shout out to Samsung. It's your man BG Tech Life. You can follow me on Instagram, BG Tech Life. Follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.